Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a project on Xuver website. This is Xuver homepage. To create a project, you will go to Create Project Board and click on Create. Now, we have to follow 4 steps in order to finish creating the project. Before we start, please make sure you have your Xref file ready, as well as your environment if you use any. Now, first step, uploading Xref file. We give a name to it. It can either be public or private. I will make it public. And we are waiting for it to load. That's it. We will open the project. This is the loading screen, which gives you tips about booking through walls, navigation, and you can switch on microphone while sharing the model. That's it. This is the model converted and uploaded online. You can see it doesn't have any environment, and I'll show you how you can add one. You go to My Projects, find the project you created, click on Edit, go to Files, find the Environment section, click on Add, and upload your environment. Now we save the project. It's done, and we will open the project once more. Here it is. Model and environment. So that's it. Thank you for watching.